Hi traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I hope you had a great day and great week last week because there was a budget event. So the topic for today is analyzing Bank Nifty, and we will analyze the Nifty 50 stocks and see which of the stocks are in the range and which can give an opportunity for us to pick up for a positional trade. So let's get started. So today I'm going to use investing.com. As you can see, I have opened a Bank Nifty chart. This is on a 5 minutes time frame. So market was very volatile usually on budget days. So if you have traded this, then it's good, but it's mostly preferred to be avoided because you will not, none of the technical analysis will work because it's bases the event and the news which is coming. So even then, most of the traders who are very pro at making money from the markets and who are pro at technical analysis will be able to capture this move. So I had played this market. Actually, I have seen this pattern and traded this pattern yesterday, where I had a stop loss buying order at 30,050, and I know the market will bounce from here, so I have taken this and I have closed it about here, 30,100. So that was my play. So whole day I waited for it to come to this level, and here I had traded and exited. So let's analyze the market and see what is happening. See, understand, whenever there is a big event like budget or any other big event which is going to come in the near future, the level at which the market will stop or enter will be at a higher time frame. So always look at it from a higher time frame where the market can come and halt. So we will analyze this on a daily chart first. So on a daily chart, we can see that market has dropped from this level. Okay, we'll just mark this with a trend line or a horizontal line. Okay, so market was here. This was the level where market should have dropped, but this has been taken above for shorting purpose. So all these people have taken this above. They knew that the market is going to fall because of the inside information, so they have taken it above and they have shorted this nicely here. So they have able to capture all this 2000 points move. So here, if you see, the market would have fallen from here itself. So this would have been about 600 to 700 point fall from here to here. So now, why is the market here at this level, or where is the market heading to? So this can be analyzed on a weekly time frame. Let's go to a weekly time frame. So I have drawn the trend line here from the previous low to the newest high and the newest bottom, newest low. So this is the new high and the bottom which is below that new high. So I have marked these two for the trend line, and you can see the market can drop up to this level, which is 28,915 in the coming weeks, if it doesn't take a retracement from these critical moving averages, which is 220 period moving averages. Sorry, this is 20 and 40. 200 is way below. So if the market starts falling, if it continues to stay in the trend, it can come and bounce from here and start moving up. So there is a possibility that it can come till here. Let's analyze this on a monthly time frame. So monthly trend is also intact. If you see, this trend is still intact. So we have to wait and watch for the market. What is it going to do for this week? This whole week it can come to this level and hold, because there is a nice zone here. This is one zone where the market can hold. This entire thing is a zone actually. See, see this 50% candles. So this is the beginning of the zone, and you see mostly there are 50% candles here, 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 here. So this becomes a probable zone where the market can stay for longer period of time. So we have to watch for this. But here I can see there was a pullback on the weekly time frame. If at all we start moving about 31234, then you can say that the market trend has changed. 31214, the high of this, 31227. Let's mark this as well. This is the level, so you should go bullish above this level. Till that time, if it comes till here, you can always short, but once this level is broken, you can expect the market to go up. Now what is going to happen on Monday? The market is already in a zone here. The bottom of the zone is this 2975. So these are all base candles here, and this was a leg candle and this was a leg candle. So you can understand that this is entire zone and we are into the zone completely. So whenever there is a candle like this and there is a closure which is close to its low of the day, then you can expect the market to rally a little bit and come to its 50% for retracement. For a Fibonacci retracement, it can come up to 50%, and then the next day it can start falling. So Monday there can be a possibility that it can rally up to 50% level and then start dropping till 28,946. The next candle can be a big candle which can be coming till here, or there can be multiple candles like this. So you have seen this was a big drop, similar candle, and then there was a small candle here also. When it opened, it went up, took the retracement, it was like 38% or 28% retracement, and then started dropping, and then it took the 50% retracement here. So whenever there is a fall, it has to definitely take a 50% retracement and then goes up. It can happen tomorrow, it can happen in 3 to 4 days of time. So we have to watch for this. So this is about Bank Nifty. Let's go to the stocks and analyze basis our setup. Our setup is very simple: 200 period moving average, 20 period moving average and 40 period moving average, and volume plays the key role in identifying the range breakouts. So we'll start analyzing Adani Ports. So Adani Ports, you can see it is in a range. So this is the bottom of the range, so it is reaching the bottom of the range here, or it can take a gap down and then go higher from here. Volumes are minimum, there is no change in volume. So Asian Paints is also dropping, so it can come to this zone. This was a level, till here it can drop. Axis Bank has broken the range. You can see this is the range of that, it has broken, so you can expect it to come down further into this zone till 686. Volumes are also not high volume, but yes, standard volume. You can expect it to be in sideways for few days, dropping here and staying here for few days. Bajaj Auto is in sideways. It has, so only way it can break out above this level 3289, then we can say it is going bullish. Bajaj Finserv, it might retrace up to this, has broken this level, so it can retrace up to this 8243 can be the level. It is good for shorting. Bajaj Finance is still holding good. Let's wait and watch for a few more days. I think it is going to remain in sideways because there was a heavy volume here, which was a sell volume. If it breaks this level, goes below these two moving averages, then we can expect it to come to this level. Bharti Airtel is very bullish, guys. Market has fallen so much, but still, I want to show this. This is one of my pick for positional. You can see Bharti Airtel. It is monthly bullish. Let me put a super trend here. Okay, so Bharti is monthly bullish. It has given a big breakout in the month of November. And then we have weekly bullish. It gave the entry at 340 on 5th of April. And daily it was bullish. It gave an entry at 452, and now the trend has changed quite well. We have to wait for this super trend to be broken. 516, above 516 you can go long in this, but till that time you have to wait. BPCL short, but there is a support here, 423, which is its 200 period moving average, so we can wait for that. Britannia is in a sideways. Cipla is holding up the level, so we have to wait for this level to drop. It can come into this complete zone. There is a big zone here. This is definitely a short entry. Coal India. I don't see any support levels which can hold it, even on the left. And the volumes are also huge, so you can expect it to drop further. Dr. Reddy's is a nice shape. It has given a good entry and it is bullish. You can wait for this high to be crossed for buying this again. 3140. Sideways, Acer Motors. With super trends, how do you identify sideways? When there is a crossover multiple times on the super trend. Gale is giving a short entry, but there is a support at this level. Volumes are high. Grasim is in a sideways and there is a zone here. It can again fall. See the time it has spent in this zone. You can see that it can stay in this. This is its 200 period moving average. It went up once, went up twice and came back. So if it doesn't hold this level, then there will be a fall into this zone. HCL Tech. HCL Tech looks weak. Actually, this is a symbol of bullish reversal, but if you see, the volume is not that great, hardly any volume. This is not a sign of reversal. It can break this level. HDFC is in a bad shape. It has fallen a lot, and now there is a scope that it can come up to 2194. HDFC Bank will also have similar story. Yes, it has broken its 200 period moving average and closed below it. So the next level will be from this 1143 to 1088. Hero MotoCorp. No trend, no trade. Dalco is in a zone. If it breaks this low, it can go down further. So this is not a good stock for positional. You can see for very long time it is in the same zone. Hindustan Unilever is in a good uptrend. So anything above this high is a good buy. It has given an entry on super trend on 13 Jan. If you want to pick up positional stock, just follow the super trend on a daily basis, and if monthly, weekly and daily matches, then go long in that. This is a short entry, but there is a lot of holding here, it can stay here for a long period of time and then touch to this level if there is any news. IndusInd Bank reached the bottom. You can expect a jump from this level again back. So you can look for buying basis the open. If open is equal to low on Monday, you can go for buying. This has to be avoided. This is near the 200 period moving average. Only above this, if it starts trading or closing, then you can go long. Infosys is in a sideways. It broke this range, but you can look out for a buying opportunity if the open is equal to low on Monday. IOC is definitely short. No support. This is in the zone. 105 will be the last if it breaks this, but you can expect a reversal. You see the volume here is very high. Now at this level there is a huge volume. You can watch this on Monday. If it opens green and open is equal to low, then you can go long. ITC is in a bad shape. This 177 is its previous low, so it can come down till that. You have to watch. If it opens gap down, then you can really buy this. JSW Steel looks weak, but can be avoided because it's in a level. Kotak Bank can be interesting. Kotak Bank is actually, let's analyze this on a monthly trend. Weekly is bullish, monthly is bullish. We have to watch for Kotak Bank because it's still above the super trend. If it goes above this level 1689, 1690, then we can look out for a positional buy in Kotak. LT is weak. It's in a zone. 1267 its holding point. If it crosses this, it can go down. 1253 is the last point. Again, if it drops from there, it can stop at 12,000. Volumes are huge. It has formed a base candle. So let's wait what it's going to do. M&M. It can come down further into this zone. Maruti is taking support on 200. You can expect a reversal from here. Basis the open on Monday. Nestle is in a good uptrend. Can pick up the share if it is above this high. This change of guard setup. 2 red candles and 1 green candle has formed at a critical moving average, so you can go long if it opens anywhere in here or in between this candle. Until unless it doesn't, your stop loss will be below this candle. NTPC is short, but it is in a zone. 106, you can expect it open down at 106 and the buying can come from here. We have few more stocks left. ONGC is in a downtrend. All the government companies, you will see that they are in downtrend because of the budget. Power Grid will be same. Reliance, let's see Reliance. It is at good critical point, 200 period moving average. It's if the volumes are high, we have to see if it opens green tomorrow, then there will be a change of guard position, or it can be a narrow range candle. Even that will be considered as change of guard, and then we can take a position on this for positional. SBI is giving a short entry. There is no support here, it can drop down further. If you see, it has formed a low and high, and again it can come to this level, 251 levels. Sun Pharma is holding on the 200 period moving average. If it bounces from here, it will be good, but I don't see any volume here. Let's see for Monday. If it opens gap down below this level, then you can see that it is short candidate. Tata Motors is holding up this level. If you have noticed, most of the stocks have come back to its 200 period moving average support to take a level. So if, as I said, there can be a rally on Monday, that rally will come from all these stocks which are at 200 period moving average. This can fall further. Tata Steel, it has crossed a 200 period moving average and the trend has changed. Short candidate. TCS, market went down but TCS went up. Good engulfing pattern. You can watch for this level to be broken. But volume is similar. The sell volume and buy volume are similar, which is little concern for me. Here 200 period moving average is there, so you can expect a drop again till here. Only if this high is broken, and then we can expect it to be bullish. It can be a trap. Techem, good volume. It has bounced back and it is continuing to trend. So this is a good candidate for positional. Let's see, weekly it is up, monthly it is up. So we have found one stock, guys. This you can buy for positional for sure. Techem, very good pattern it has formed and good volume also. Sideways Titan, avoid. We thought it will break this level, but it has not broken, so it is going down into this level again. Ultratech Cement, short candidate, but it can remain sideways for a few days. UPL is again in a zone. You see this low and this low. You have to wait if there is a buying which can come from this level. It can be a buy opportunity if it opens green. VDL is again similar pattern into the zone, but it can fall further into the zone. Confusion candle, which is a base candle it has formed. Spinning top, you can say, but there is no volume here. If there is volume, I could have expected it to be a reversal, but there is no volume. It can come down further. Yes Bank, please avoid. Z is giving a short entry. Supertrend is also giving an entry. It can drop down till 244 levels in coming few days. So that's it, guys. I think we have completed all the stocks. So I have shared a lot of knowledge while taking you these stocks, setups and positions, and how do we watch the levels. If you are watching my videos continuously every week, you will be able to understand this better. So I'll try posting these videos every week and try to post a setup also from next week onwards. Thank you so much for watching and have a great trading week.